Welcome to the HP SDS Action Center, the HP portal that provides an easy access to HP smart device services. This tutorial will show you how to remotely manage your HP devices using Smart Devices services. In this tutorial, we'll show you some of the features offered by Smart Device services. You'll see how to restart the device remotely, how to collect updated data, and how to access the device's embedded web server to perform remote operations. Please note, to access the device via Smart Device services, you must use device credentials. If you have set a specific user and password for accessing your device, you will need to enter them from the Set Credentials box. To access Smart Devices services features of a device, after selecting the customer, click on Devices in the menu on the left. Click on the Device tab to select it. With the Restart function, you can restart the device remotely. You can perform the operation immediately or schedule its execution at a later time. To do this, simply click on the button and enter the date and time in the fields. Finally, click Restart. The Scan button allows you to instantly scan your device's data. At the end of the operation, you can view up-to-date information about operator panel messages, configurations, event logs, and current firmware version. The Remote EWS function allows you to directly access the device's internal web server remotely. Through this remote access, you can view detailed information about the device's status, view the event log in real time, identify operating problems, and make configuration changes. To access the device's web server for the first time, click on the Enable Remote EWS button. Confirm the enable, then click again on a Remote EWS. After a few seconds to establish the secure connection, you will access the web page of the device, where you can perform all the operations remotely without the need to connect to the customer's network. Thank you for watching this HP SDS Action Center tutorial.